Good day, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024. For the general situation, the high-pressure ridge continues to support gentle to moderate breezes across the Turks and Caicos Islands. Special warnings. A heat advisory is issued for the Turks and Caicos Islands. The heat index is very high, posing a significant risk of heat-related illnesses such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Take immediate precautions to stay cool, hydrated, and avoid prolonged outdoor exposure. For today's forecast for all areas, partly sunny with isolated showers possible. Mostly fair with isolated showers possible tonight. Winds will be easterly at 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 feet or less near shore, 3 to 5 feet offshore. The daytime high temperature is expected to rise to 91 degrees Fahrenheit with a heat index of 111 Fahrenheit. Overnight low temperature is expected to drop to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 7:23 p.m. and the next high tide will be at 12:37 p.m. and the next low tide at 6:53 p.m. For the extended forecast for the next 2 days, the high pressure ridge will continue to dominate the weather pattern across the area over the weekend. Hazy conditions are expected on Saturday as a moderate dust plume moves over the islands. Expect seasonably hot and humid conditions with afternoon showers through early next week. Saturday's forecast calls for partly to mostly sunny skies with a high near 92, mostly fair with a low around 79 at night. Winds will be northeast to east at 10 to 20 knots and seas 4 to 6 feet over the ocean. Sunday's forecast calls for a very slight chance of showers in the afternoon, partly cloudy with a high near 91. Chance of rain is 10%. A chance of showers at night, partly cloudy with a low around 78 at night. Chance of rain is 30%. Winds will be easterly at 10 to 15 knots and seas 4 to 6 feet over the ocean. For the tropical weather outlook, near the Lesser and Greater Antilles, there's a tropical wave located several hundred miles to the west-southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands, is producing a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms over the tropical Atlantic. Any development of the wave should be slow to occur during the next couple of days. Afterwards, conditions are expected to become more conducive for development while the wave moves west-northwestward, and a tropical depression could form by early next week while the system approaches the Lesser Antilles. The system is then forecast to continue moving generally west-northwestward and could approach the Greater Antilles by the middle part of next week. The system has a medium 60% chance of formation over the next 7 days. And that is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Monday.